What is really causing the price of Bitcoin to drop right down? As you can see on the chart right here, BTC USD 1 day, and on Ethereum, market is coming back to the downside, market is dropping. What is really causing this drop right now? Two things that is very significant right here is number one, because of the pre-halving drop, okay? We have 4 days to halving right now, and the countdown is still in progress. Another cause of this very drop is because of Iran and Israel is in a major escalation right now. As we see yesterday, Iran rained hundreds of drones, ballistic and cruise missiles against Israel. But fortunately for Israel, they were able to neutralize about 99% of those cruise missiles and drone attacks. Now, this is very important. By the help of its ally in the region, the United States, Jordan, and also the UK. But as a trader, does this impact us? The answer is yes. Okay, we have to really focus on what is happening in the international market and align it with what we are seeing on the price chart. And that is what I'll be talking about in today's video. So watch this video to the very end. Please help support this video by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, technical analysis, day trading strategy, and educational content. Right here on the BTC USD chart, see the market coming back to the downside. And this very drop for me is caused by two factors, okay? The first one is the halving, okay? For every halving, before it happens, there is always a pre-halving pump, which we see on the chart right at this very location. Market move upward. And also there is always a pre-halving drop, and that is what we are seeing right now. Market is coming back to the downside. So after the halving, just as we can see, 4 days to go, the market have capacity, very high one, to begin to move to the upside. Sometimes it can take weeks and months before the market will see that very aggressive move to the upside. And like I said earlier, we see this very drop, and another factor is because there is a major escalation in the Middle East right now after there is a claim that Israel attacked Iranian consulate right in Syria. And the reason for Israel attacking the consulate was because there was an important meeting by the Iranian Revolutionary Guard squad right there at the consulate. So it was an opportunity for them to strike, although Israel never accepted to this very claim. So, and there was a lot of rumors within the week that Iran is going to, definitely attack Israel. And as that rumor goes on, there was this fear in the market that caused this very move to the downside. Like I said, two things, okay? Number one is this very halving event for the pre-halving dump, and the second thing is the Iranian attack that has been a rumor for over the week, and finally yesterday Iran attacked Israel with dozens and hundreds of drones, ballistic and cruise missiles. And right here we see the market pause at this 0 point. What are we expecting right now in the market? This is very, very critical, because if Israel should have a counterattack against Iran, then there might be a possible further drop in the market to the downside. But that is not what I am expecting right now. So as we approach the halving, which is a historic event that happened every 4 years in the crypto space, I am expecting that market begin to see a little bit of pause before any movement to the upside. So if you take a look at the 1 day chart right here, I talked to you about this very area. That is the $60,000 level. That is where I'm expecting the market to get into, and that is exact same point where the market gets into right here. If you can see this very chart clearly, at this very point, we see the market get into this very area of $61,000 and $60,000. And we have a very sharp move upward, and right now market is at this very point. So these two levels, this very area of resistance for the market to move upward, we must have to see the market break here and begin to move to the upside. And for the market to further have a more dump in the market, we need to see that very breakout on this level of support for the market to come back to the downside. And the next level that you need to pay attention to is this very area of $52,000 and $50,000 at this very point. So this is very, very critical. Now, what I am expecting on the immediate short term as we approach the halving is for the drop to reduce. We should see a little bit of regain in the market. So if you come to the 4-hour chart right here, you discover that the market move a little bit upward, and right now we are seeing a little bit of drop to the downside again on the 4-hour chart. What I am expecting really on this chart is for the market to come back down, not creating a further new low, and even though we see a new low, it's not going to be an aggressive move. Okay, so market should come back down into this very area of important support right here, and then market should move upward, okay, for the next move a little bit to the upward, approaching this very level of resistance right here on the 4-hour chart BTC USD. This is what I'm expecting right now. And if you move back to the 1-day chart, very importantly, if we see Israel attack Iran, that is a counter attack, then we're going to see the market further behave itself to the downside. That means you should expect a little bit of drop to the downside. But I am not expecting a very severe attack from Israel. They may definitely attack, okay, because it's required for show of strength. But right now, I am expecting that the market to begin to, recover to the upside. And if you look at Ethereum right here, you see the market drop, okay, and to this very area, we see this very move to the upside a little bit. The same thing, expect the market to come back down into this area before the next gradual move upward. So expect a gradual move to the upside right now in the market, and after the halving, we should be expecting the market to move aggressively after weeks, a month or two, for the market to move aggressively to the upside on ETH and every other altcoins, and also on BTC. So this is what I am expecting right now. The most important thing on today's chart is that if Israel should retaliate, okay, should have a counterattack against Iran, then we should see the market begin to, find its way to, break this level of important support that we're seeing on the chart right now. Now, their attack can be in different measure. If there is a severe counterattack, the market could possibly drop into this very level that I talk about, $50,000 and $51,000. But if there is a minor attack, okay, we should see the market begin to gather itself and begin to move to the upside. Now, know that after the halving, the market should have high capacity moving to the upside, all things being equal. But this war that is coming up gradually in the Middle East will definitely affect the market because it have a greater impact on the market right now. The last thing I want to talk about today, further to prove this, is that if you look at the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index as at last week, this was around this very area of 79%, but right now market is shifting back a little bit into this very neutral zone. Okay, so market is gradually shifting to this neutral zone, meaning that the people are becoming very, very fearful in the market. And what that means is that for you as an investor, is the right time to properly analyze your chart and do what you think the market is going to do in the market according to your analysis. And your analysis must to be technically fundamental and on-chain based. Okay, don't base your analysis only on technical or fundamental. You must also have to know what is happening on-chain. Okay, on-chain analysis is very important in this very space. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So on the immediate short term, please expect the market to recover to the upside after a little drop I am expecting on the 4-hour chart. The same thing on ETH. I'm expecting a little drop to the downside on the 4-hour chart as we begin to see a recovery in the market right now. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on the BTC USD 4-hour chart and the 1-day chart, and ETH 1-day chart and the 4-hour chart as well right here. So market should drop a little bit on this very 4-hour chart to the downside, and then market should move upward. This is what I am expecting right now. So if you are new to this channel, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, educational content, and technical analysis. If you're not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, the affiliate link is down below this video for you to register and receive all the bonuses by using my affiliate link down in the description of this very video. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.